These are what we call turkeys. This is the biggest. This is the biggest there. Turkeys and the others are. As you see the neck of the turkey is so somehow like unique. It pushes that thing in the neck. Turkeys can associate with hens. Oh, they don't disturb each other, they eat together.